What's up guys and welcome back to askNK. Today we have some limited time offer bundles that you definitely might want to consider taking a look at if you're working with Blender or possibly if you're into 3D printing. So starting off, we're taking a look at the one from the folks at Flip Normal as they've put together the flip box, and this is the Eldritch miniature flip box that comes with 52 miniatures that you can explore. This comes as STL and LSY files. Currently, if you'd like to get this bundle, you'll be paying about $30 to get it. The original price for this is about $225, and this is going to be running out just in a couple of days. Now, this bundle comes with 6 collections, and these collections deals with Cult of Cthulhu, the Cult of Nyarlathotep 1 and 2. Then we've got the Dunwich Horror Collection, the Cult of Azathoth, and the Color Out of Space collection. Now, all of this contains miniatures of monstrous gods, forbidden rituals, twisted cults, and strange things from beyond the stars. They are fully hand-sculpted models which you can actually pick up and study. And of course, if you're looking for tabletop pieces that has to do with RPGs, wargaming, or maybe you're looking for something that you can 3D print and keep on your desk, then of course you can simply come through and check this one out. Like we mentioned, this is running from now till the 30th of June of 2026. This is currently available for $30. Now, if you work with Blender, you will definitely love this one, as we do have the creature and character collection bundle from the folks at Humble Bundle, and this comes with 24 amazing items. Now, we've talked about some of these items before, and it's interesting to see that they're here. Actually, let's talk about all the base mesh stuff that they have before we talk about the animation ones. So for the base mesh, you have all of these. If you're looking for character stuff, for stylized, simple characters, they've also got the character generator that gives you access to creating different kinds of characters. And with that combination, you'll be getting about 2 billion characters. All the way down, we also have the body type generator, which is also really good for generating characters. We've got base mesh megapack 3D model that comes with a variety of characters, which includes human, anime, and cartoon animals. And this is offering 155 base meshes that you can pick up, start sculpting, start modeling with. If you're thinking about getting started with characters that you can customize before you actually start implementing stuff on, then the customizable male plus and the female base mesh bundle is also available. Down here, you'd also notice that we've got realistic male and female character creator bundle that comes fully rigged and ships with 280 plus blend shapes that you can work with. So these are character add-ons that you can play with. For animation add-ons, you've got the Blaze Puppeteer. This is a pretty interesting tool for anyone that is currently thinking about creating animation based off prompts, and this is being powered by NVIDIA Kimodo. So we already mentioned this on the channel before, but for those who would like to see more about this, you can simply go over to the product page where you can see it. At the same time, if you're thinking about facial expression and performance capture inside of Blender, then Faceit is the tool for you, as this allows you to use your phone and do your performance capture right inside of Blender. For those who are looking for IMM brushes that they can use for their next sculpt, then we've got the 44 teeth, which are high detailed teeth for creatures. This is a good one. Then you've also got the 44 ears, 44 nose, 44 eyes. Then we've got Gum Volume 1 and Gum Volume 2. Now, these are tools that you can use for your sculpting, and these are useful for both ZBrush and Blender alike. At the same time, if you're looking for hair tools, then we've got the Strand Kit, which is a hair for and dynamic library of hair that you can work with right inside of Blender. This is a pretty interesting tool for anyone that is thinking about making hairs in Blender quickly or applying hair onto their characters faster. If you're thinking about learning how you can create stuff, then we've got a few tutorials right here. One of them deals with base mesh, which is from the folks at CG Cookie, that teaches you how you can create base character meshes. Then we've got Concept that actually teaches you how to create character concept art with Blender and the Grease pencil. At the same time, we've got Pothead, which is also a hard surface character creation course that walks you through how you can make hard surface characters for your model as well. VonBot is also another nice one for anyone that is thinking about getting started with animation. Possibly you're looking for tools that you can work with, then by every chance you should go ahead and check it out. If you're thinking about a skin tool that you can use to apply very nice skin effect on your models, then the Global Skin is a nice one. This is an ultimate skin shader that makes life easy. This works with both meta-human characters, character creator models from the folks at Relution, human generator, and DAZ characters as well. And for those that are thinking about making some nice concept, you can simply use Figaro, as Figaro is a fast base mesh character tool that you can use, which is very similar to what you have with Z-Spheres inside of ZBrush. Down here, you'd also notice that we've got Retopo Flow version 4, and this is a beautiful one, which is currently available for anyone that is thinking about retopology. Now, if you'd like to learn how to do your retopology, then the introduction to retopology with Retopo Flow add-on is also right here. So you get the add-on and you get a learning guide on how to do all of that. Right here, we also have the ultra realistic gum, which you can use to explore some stuff if you're into animation. So all of these are nice high quality stuff that you can get. All 24 items are going for £26.71 as against £926.17 if you choose to purchase this individually. So for those who are into character creation and possibly you work with Blender, then you can simply come through and grab it. And this is a limited time offer which is running out. At the same time, if you like to grab this on SuperHive, you can actually come through and grab it, as the folks at SuperHive have actually put this one together and they've positioned this in different tiers. And for those who like to see this one, they've got the tier 1, which comes with all of this. We've got tier 2 and also tier 3. So if you like to grab these and stay on SuperHive with it, then by every chance you can come through and check this one out. This is a high quality, nice cool bundle that you can grab right now. Another thing which is a limited time offer has to do with the game development bundle, which is also here. So we've just recently seen that both Unity and Unreal Engine has released a new version, and if you're thinking about getting started with those versions and you like to implement some AI stuff to them, learn how to create effective games in both Unity, learn how you can get some stuff up and running within Blender and Unity, Blender and Unreal Engine, then you've got courses right here. So some of these courses simply has like the Unity logo, but most of them actually deals with Unreal Engine as well, and several of them teaches you stuff that you need to know about Blender. So whether you're thinking about moving from Blender to Unreal Engine 5 by simply creating fantasy rivers, or maybe you're thinking about creating procedural weapons in Blender, or maybe you're into Godot and you're looking for ways to get started with creating stuff inside of Godot, building your iOS app games with Sprite Kit, then all of these are also right here. So you've got some nice cool stuff for Unity, Unreal Engine, Godot, and more importantly, you've got lots of things that you can pick up for Blender as well, and all of these are amazing stuff. So for anyone that would like to get all 30 items of these are currently going for about 16.10, or you can pay a bit more to support creators by simply paying about 21. Now by default, these are going to be costing you about 2,426. But of course, because this is a humble bundle, you're paying less than 10% of that price to actually get them. Something else which you can also get right now is the human library, which the folks at Polygonic have put together. So just in case you like to grab, these ones are here. We're planning to make a full video about this one, just in case you like to wait for that before making that purchase. On the other hand, the dynamic grabber is also available, and Elias has put this together for anyone that is looking for a physics-based tool that they can use to grab and place stuff within Blender. So these are also amazing stuff that you can pick up right now. There are also some other impressive bundles that are right here, but these are more targeted to game developers, music, and IT. One of them has to do with the bigger, better bundle. This comes with 12,000 plus assets, and these are all making their first time appearance. This is in conjunction with the folks at Decogun Studios alongside Machine Gun. So if you like to get all of these high quality Unreal assets, these are amazing. These are very high quality put together stuff. So for anyone that would like to get them, you can simply come through and get all 65 items for £16.46. All of these should be costing close to £6,000 to get them. Of course, there is also a lot more that you can get right now on Humble Bundle, which includes the all-in-one Unreal Engine and Unity game bundle. Then we've got the fantasy game assets by the folks at Saint. These are also high quality stuff, and lots of other things. Maybe you're thinking about learning Unreal Engine, there's a course bundle as well, which is also available, so you can actually go ahead and grab that. Then we've also got some other nice ones as well that deals with Unity, and also some that teaches you stuff that has to do with world building, environment bundles, and so much more. So for anyone that would like to grab any of these things, or possibly like to check out some of the books that the folks at Humble Bundle have put together, then links is also going to be in the description, so do well to see this for yourself. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and until I see you guys in the next one, peace.